Hi, Jordan. I see you guys. I'm going, okay? Catch you next time. Uh-oh. Hey, something's wrong. I ain't got nothing, man. Hey,
What seems to be the problem?
I just pulled out, cut it off, got ready to crank it.
And nothing?
No.
Some quick tips if this ever happens to you is you can cycle your ignition switch from on and off to see if you possibly lost connection. So let's try that.
Cycle, turn it off, turn
Yeah.
it back on.
On and off a few times. Okay.
Oh,
So we got power.
we got power.
Fire it up.
Hey, all right. Hey, thanks, man.
No problem. If this ever happens to you, a few tips that you can do is cycle the ignition switch to see if it lost connection at the switch. Second thing that you can try is check your fuses under the seat as well as on the left-hand side of the vehicle. Some quick tips from 360 Auto Imports.